Welcome back to Survey Building 101. In this tutorial, I'll be walking you through some of our survey settings, including how to add survey instructions, add a microphone check, and many more. Let's get started. To access survey settings, click on the Settings tab in the Survey Builder. Here you will see a list of settings that can be applied to your survey. At the most basic level, we have the survey name and survey instructions. Survey instructions have a consistent formatting and will always appear before any questions in your survey following the welcome screen. In the top right corner, you can choose to add a microphone check to your survey. We highly recommend adding a microphone check because it will tell participants whether they are using a compatible web browser and allow participants to ensure that their microphone is enabled. You can also add a consent form to your survey by uploading a PDF. In the survey, your participants will be able to view and download the PDF for their records. Participants will only be able to move forward if they click I consent, ensuring that all data is collected ethically. Demographic questions can be easily added to your survey. Identifiable information is collected at the beginning of the survey, while other demographics are collected at the end. All demographics can be made optional. Another feature built into Phonic is the ability to merge duplicates based on email. This feature ensures that participants can only submit a single response to your survey based on the email they provide. If they attempt to take your survey with the same email more than once, they will be prompted to either overwrite their previous response or discontinue the survey. Audio format defaults to WAV for all surveys, but can be easily changed to MP3. There are pros and cons to both formats. WAV files generally produce higher quality audio, however, these files are larger in size and take longer to upload. MP3 files are smaller and upload more quickly, but produce lower quality audio. We recommend only switching to MP3 if your participants have poor internet speed or if you're collecting audio responses over 10 minutes. You can also change the video quality in survey settings. Videos with lower bit rates are smaller in file size and can be uploaded more efficiently to our servers. This is particularly helpful for participants with lower internet speeds. Survey completion and Screenout pages are particularly important for panel and participant pool integrations. In addition to editing the title and subtitle text that appears on the page, you can enter different redirect links. For example, if using Prolific, you can add the redirect URL under the completion page. Only participants who make it to the completion page will then be compensated for your study. Screenout pages are important for surveys with screener questions and ensure that those who do not meet your criteria do not complete your survey. We'll talk more about how to screen out participants in our Survey Logic 101 series. There are some other survey settings in Phonic that I want to touch on. The first is allowing respondents to continue later. This feature saves participants' survey progress so they can leave the survey and return to the same spot later using the same survey link. The second is Hide Previous button, which prevents participants from going back in your survey and ensures that their first response is the response that is recorded. The third is using the native camera. This setting allows Phonic to access the camera application on the participant's mobile device and is useful if you want participants to record using the rear camera rather than the front or selfie camera. The final survey setting is enabling the keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts allow your participants to respond using key presses rather than clicking with their mouse. And those are the basic survey settings in Phonic. Join me next time when I talk about survey customization, including customizing the way your survey looks and also how to use our HTML editor to create incredibly flexible surveys.